Do you wear glasses and get sick of having reflections in your glasses from the lights you're using? We get asked this all the time. People are constantly getting stressed by how much light there is in their glasses. Hi, I'm Michael from Girl Director, and today I'm going to show you a few things you can do to improve your videos, especially around glasses. Now make sure that you subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you get notifications whenever we release one of our videos, because there's so much content that you can learn from. There's two times where you might need to wear glasses. The first is if they're a part of your brand, and absolutely you should wear them. I know people have lovely red glasses and things, and that's their look. Go for it, that's important to you. The other reason would be because you can't actually see properly. Now, it doesn't matter to be seeing if you're just talking straight to camera, because you are really talking to the person you're imagining talking to. But if you're reading an auto cue, so the text is going past, then you would definitely want to be wearing glasses so you can read that properly, or you make the text really big. So now let's talk about a few things that you can do with glasses. If you're using natural light, then glasses aren't going to be a problem. But as soon as you start lighting the situation, like now, I'm in a studio setup and you won't see reflections on my glasses. And that's because the lights are placed to the side more, okay? So I've got lights lighting this whole scene here, but they're off to the side, and therefore the reflection of my glasses is actually going off that way. So a light there goes that way because of the way it reflects. If the lights are right next to your camera or above your camera, then they will reflect really strongly. And I'm going to show you an example with a ring light in a minute that actually shows exactly where you get that problem. So your first thing to remember is to make sure that you have your lights further to the side. Now, the other thing you can play with, and every scenario is a bit different, sometimes you might find if you're getting it too far to the side, then you're getting too many dark shadows on the side of your face, you're not well enough lit, then you might need to raise the lights as well. And by raising the lights again, the reflection's coming down and not shooting straight into the camera. So here's an example where I have got these lights closer in. I mentioned before, you have them further out. So if the lights are out there somewhere, then the reflection's not there, whereas now the lights are right next to my camera, about that kind of position. And so you can see the reflection straight away. Now as I move around, you'll see that you can start getting more problems as I move sideways. So that's why you really want to move your lights out of the way as much as possible. This is stuff you need to play with. Lighting is all about playing and getting to know the space you're in. Now the other thing you should always remember with lighting is that where you can, use natural lighting. It's much easier. If you're inside and you've got a nice day with light outside, make sure that you use some of that light and just use your unnatural lights, your electronic lights, to actually fill in the spaces and the darker patches and things like that so that you look nice on camera. A lot of people use ring lights for their lighting, and they're really good for lighting your face, but you'll find that as soon as you start using them, you can get some very nasty reflections in your glasses. So right now you can see that there is reflections in my glasses from the ring light. But the ring light's a fair way away. It's about 1.5 meters away. And so because of that, I can actually do something simple like drop my face a little bit and the reflection's gone. See that? That's a simple thing. Now that only works when you are further away, but most people use their ring lights quite close up. So here I am close up, and you can see that even if I move my eyes down, now that looks a bit weird, I'm looking too closely. So if my glasses are like that, depending on where I am in the camera shot, you can see they move around a lot. So it's really quite difficult. So as a general rule, I say to people, if you are using a ring light with glasses, either go right back like I did before, like this, and drop your eyes down a bit, or use other lighting. Now the other thing you can do is get non-reflective lenses. Like my glasses are non-reflective lenses, but they still reflect, as you can see. They just are a little bit less reflective than the normal reflective lenses. I've been talking about softboxes and LED lights and ring lights. Now all of these are on our equipment list, so if you want to get that, all you do is go there and sign up, and you'll get our list, which includes links and everything for how to get them, and you can buy them and start playing and work out the right equipment for you. That is going to give you some more information that will help you with improving the quality of your videos. See you next time.